Who is Emma Watson? Emma Watson was born on April 15, 1990 in Paris, France but raised in England. The actress got her big break as a child with Harry Potter and Sorcerer up on screen as she reprised her role of Hermione Granger. Through the franchise 8 films, Watson went on to enjoy success in the fashion and modeling industries and continued to prove her abilities as an actress with roles in films like My Week with Marilyn, The Perks of Being a Wallflower, Beauty and the Beast and Little Woman. Emma Watson early life. Emma Watson was born on April 15, 1990. Her parents both British lawyer and Jacqueline Lusby and Tris Watson. Her brother Alex was born 3 years later. Her parents divorced when Watson was 5 and she moved back to Oxfordshire. In England with her mother and brother. Watson attended the Stagecoach Theatre Art School at Oxford. She studied singing, acting, and dancing, and performed in school plays. Her natural instinct for acting first came out when she won a poetry competition for reciting James Reeves' The Sea at age 7. Watson had never actually professionally when her theatre teacher suggested her to agent looking to cast an upcoming movie based on the first novel of the best-selling Harry Potter series. A 9-year-old Watson auditioned 8 times for the role that would make her an international star. Harry Potter author J.K. Rowling, who was deeply involved in the film process to make sure it stayed true to the book, wanted Watson involved in the project. Watson sufficiently impressed casting agent and the film producer and won the role of Hermione Granger, Harry Potter's smart, boozy best friend and voice of reason. Harry Potter was portrayed by Daniel Radcliffe and Rupert Grint was cast as Ron Weasley. Harry's other best friend to the trio British child actors would become known around the globe for their roles as young visitors fighting the battle between good and evil, beginning with the release of Harry Potter and Sorcerer's Stone in November 2001. Watson's film debut was in Rome's success, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone earned a record-breaking $33.3 million on its opening day in the United States, en route to grossing $1975 million worldwide. It was nominated for 3 Academy Awards and 7 BAFTA Awards, with Watson receiving critical praise to cement her status as an up-and-coming star. Fashion and education. As a teenager coming of age as an established movie star, Watson also embraced a fashion insta, her style catching the eye of many major figures in the fashion industry. I love fashion. I think it's so important because it's how you show yourself to the world, she once told Teen Vogue. In September 2009, Watson announced that she was working with People Tree, a fashion label that promotes fair trade. Watson catapulted into the world of high fashion and modeling when she was chosen as the face of Burberry Autumn-Winter 2009 collection and again for the 2010 Spring and Summer collection. Films. Although Watson became closely identified with the character of Hermione Granger as an adolescent, the young actress wanted to be seen in as more. In 2007, she starred in another film based on children's novel Ballet Shoes by Noel Streatfeild. The film aired on BBC One, generating decent review with Watson in the lead role. In 2008, she branches out into animated world, voicing the character of Princess P in the Tale of Disprax.